Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. I have turned Magnolia exactly one time before, but I have another piece. And it was so long ago that I did it that I remember nothing about how it turns or what it was like. I just remember that it was very pale colored, like almost white. But it was so long ago, I probably was still exclusively carbide tools. So even if I remembered what it was like, I am further along my journey now. So this is brand new. Let's call it brand new to me. Magnolia. This blank is just about 6 inches across by just about 3 inches deep. So it'll make a nice little bowl. Let's find out together about Magnolia. Come on. Yeah, get rid of those. I think they're so sometimes I think stuff like that's interesting, but only if it's also attractive. Those are not that. Just a little spot still, but just about. There, got him. There's still a little bit of interesting something right there. And I actually am not displeased with the natural shape that this has progressed into without even trying. It cuts nice. It cuts very nice. I might just leave it like that. That's nice and simple and graceful. I might just be good with that as the outside shape. Maybe I'll accentuate that little down at the bottom just a titch. but I do like this. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. It's letting the wood do the singing, but it's interesting enough. I like that. Let's do the bottom. Yep, that'll do. Sanding. Sanding, sanding. Uh-oh. Scotty, I need more wax. Damn it. Yeah, very pale, but some little bits of interest if you look real close. Not super boring, but very pale and sort of subtle. I would call the grain subtle. Let's flip it around. to be able to go probably 2.5 and a bit. And we're only, yeah, we got a ways to go yet. We got another inch. We could keep going a while yet. The shape of this bowl, though, kind of like lends itself to the bottom being kind of a foot. And it may look a little bit weird on the inside if the inside follows that all the way down. So I may intentionally leave kind of like a fatty bottom on this guy and just make a nice inside curvature to whatever depth that ends up being. It'll be at least 2.25 of our 2.5, I think. But we'll just leave that sort of bottom little whoopity whoop acting kind of like a foot. It's subtle. I like it. It's understated and sort of reserved. It doesn't insist upon itself. I actually quite happy with that. Just enough interest in the curves to accentuate a little bit of the coolness, but overall kind of subtle, understated grain. Yeah, that's a win for sure. So where are you, Mike? Now, I'm glad you asked. I'm in my parents' backyard because right after I turned this, I was having dinner at my parents' house, and my mom mentioned that something about her magnolia tree. And I was like, that big tree in your backyard is a magnolia tree? And so I thought this was a good place to do the outro for this video. So the magnolia turned out pretty well. I'm pretty happy with it. I like the subtle elegance of the curves and the sort of reserved nature of the grain. It is very pale. It is very minimal. in terms of its structure, I would say. But happy with how it came together. It'll look wonderful on somebody's table or entryway or wherever. It will be in my store, which is linked down below, my online store where you can purchase my things. Patreon members and channel members get first notification when new stuff goes up on my website, so that's a good way to go get first crack at things and, you know, support me here on the channel. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this bowl or Magnolia in general, or any questions that you might have. And until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. Be kind to yourselves, be kind to each other, and we'll see you next time. All right, bye for now.